Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 21st April 2022. In the international market, US 10-year is trading at 286 percentage points, which has retreated 7 basis points from yesterday's high. As Knight Research has said, there will be a lot of resistances near 3% mark before it convincingly closes above 3%. Knight Research does not believe 3% mark will be getting crossed for the next few weeks. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $107.70 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 107 to 110. In the currency market, dollar index is at 100.47. It has retreated from 101 levels. Today's range for dollar index 100.34 to 100.78. USD CNY Chinese yuan is at 641. USD INR with a low of 76.52 closed at 76.20. Resistance at 76.05 and support at 76.50 does exist. Trading strategy for USD INR. As Knight Research has mentioned yesterday that USD INR will consolidate, and exactly that happened. The day high was 76.52, which was the previous day's high, and then it retreated from towards 76.20. We expect 76 to 76.50 range for the next few days for USD INR. In the domestic market, there was a short covering rally which was widely seen across all the papers, as the banks have put 2035 paper in HTM to hide their future mark-to-markets. The free float of the stock is very limited. Also, after the Friday's auction of 2035 paper, it will reach near its 1.5 lakh crore unofficial limit for issuances. Hence, there was a heavy short covering seen in 2035 paper as well. 563 2026 closed at 637 versus 640. 654 2032 closed at 710 versus 715, 5 basis point jump. 667 2035 closed at 728 versus 734, a gain of 6 basis points in the yield terms. Trading range 654 2032 will be seen trading at 708 to 714 for today. Knight Research advice. As it turns out, the Knight Research advice to book profits was one day earlier, as the rally lasted for one more day. Now the markets are consolidating and there is no hope for the yield below 7% for now. MPC minutes are expected on Friday and there is no reason to take any bold positions. But at the same time, the market has anticipated already the aggressive rate hike cycle. We at Knight Research believe MPC minutes will not bring any new future surprises. Rather, it should calm the market. But this is also done in the last 2 days when the yields were near 725 and now it's at near 710. A 15 basis point jump is already seen. Lastly, we had arranged our internal treasury session Debt Ki Duniya Part 2 yesterday evening, where almost 65 banks participated. We appreciate their love and respect for our research team led by Mr. Pawan Somani, Treasury Manager ex Suryodaya Small Finance Bank and Bank of Maharashtra, and Mr. Chandrakant Sharma, Treasury Manager ex Punjab and National Bank Treasury team. We would be happy to arrange one-on-one sessions with the interested banks to discuss their portfolios and risk management strategies. Indian 10-year is expected to be at 750 by March 23 is a certainty, and worst case may be 770, so banks need to prepare the balance sheets and portfolios accordingly. Also, as the non-SLR is an attractive opportunity for this year, Knight Research's full focus stays on non-SLR to make attractive returns. That's it for the day. See you tomorrow with the new episode from Night Snippets.